Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to customize the home screen and icons on your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus. First of all, hold your finger down on an empty space of your device's home screen. Now you can move your applications around, drag them between pages, or you can do this with group of icons if you just tap on each icon you want to move and then hold your finger down on one of them, and this way you can drag your icons in groups between your home screen pages. Besides, you can also group your icons into folders simply by holding your finger down on one of the applications and hovering it over the different icon. And then you can add as many different apps to one folder as you like. Now, in order to change wallpapers, select Wallpapers menu and select one of the available ones, or tap the last option to select one from your library. In widgets, you can find the applications that support widgets and select the widget that you want to add to your home screen. Then in Hide Theme, you can change the theme of your phone using your own themes, or getting some more from the store. And in desktop settings, we can change things like appearance, gestures, and other settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.